Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm gonna start by spraying my hair with water. Do a little bit, don't get it too deep. The hair gel I'm gonna be using is the Wetline Extreme. I've used this before, but or maybe it was a different one, but it doesn't flake and it's good for finger waves, so oh, it smells good too. I got the gel in. Make sure you get your edges real good, because you gotta, you know, do your edges so it can be laid. So basically, once you get that all over your head, you can get a comb preferably. Pick where you want to part your hair. Once you're ready for your finger waves, what I do, I put my finger, I like follow my finger as I'm about to do the waves. So I do that, that. Probably did that too fast, but basically you gotta keep you have to use your finger to flatten the hair after you've already combed it. You can also do this with a small like bristle brush or even a toothbrush. And then right here kind of have like a cowlick. It kind of naturally like wrap your hair. But yeah, anyway, that's my hairstyle. I feel like I sound like a dick water, you know. Coño, casi me cago yo. Bro, this shadow. Okay. Lord. Oh Lord. Just looks regular deglish schmegler.